For years, e.max has been helping people like you smile to the max. Have you ever thought about changing your smile? Have you ever wished you had a better smile or that you were more confident with your smile? If you're considering a new smile, then e.max could be the solution you are looking for.
There's a feeling of confidence, knowing that I at least look as good as I can look, and that makes a person feel good.
You know, when you've got that beautiful smile and you know that it's these beautiful strong teeth that look natural, they look and feel natural, which was very important to me.
e.max is a metal-free, super high-strength ceramic material that perfectly matches the look and feel of your natural tooth structure. Many people are familiar with e.max being used for veneers and crowns, but did you know there is also a full range of possibilities, from simple fillings to full smile makeovers?
And so, to go from preparing for dentures to people telling you have a great smile and they're not slipping and they're not falling out, or I can eat that steak, I'm happy.
e.max can be used to correct chipped or cracked teeth, discoloration or staining, gaps or spaces between teeth, uneven, worn, or small teeth, unsightly metal restorations, and Tetracycline Stains. Your doctor will work with you to develop a plan that is customized for you. And when you are ready to make the change, be sure to ask about e.max, the world's most trusted all-ceramic restorative material for a beautiful, long-lasting smile.